Is it time to lead or is it time to die? Time to raise hell or walk on by. Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Yeah. Is it time to speak up or time for silence? Time for peace or is it time for violence? Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Yeah. See what you're trying to hide and what you're running from inside. 'Cause I got a surprise. We might not make it to the morning. So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart? Put your hands dirty. It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love the sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart? So go and get your hands dirty. I got a skeleton under the floorboard. I got a secret I need you to keep. Run away, you have been forewarned. I don't wanna go. Something would be stuck up in the mud again. Don't wanna miss it. I got a feeling when they're walking on the ceiling. Healing and then tell me what you're trying to hide and what you running from inside. Watch out. Surprise! We might not make it to the morning. So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart? So go and get your hands dirty. It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love a sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart? So go and get your hands dirty. So go and get your hands dirty.
Era SAITAMA.
Is there anybody out there paying attention? Is there anybody out there? So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart? So go and get your hands dirty. It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love a sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart? So go and get your hands dirty.
Ты покрытый,
Yeah.
Хорошо.